Another basic fundamental that is getting lost in the post-Olympic Reggae Boys elimination analysis is that Jamaica continues to miss a big trick in age group football competitions, and especially at the under-23 level. Over the years, we've tended to pick our top players from schoolboy football the same season or the season before. Players who are basically 18, 19, and 20, while the other teams in the Confed are picking 22-year-olds. And at this level, 2 years or even 1 year of physical development and experience make a whole world of difference. When we look at the disparity in the size, physicality, and maturity of the Jamaican players in this tournament compared to the Dominica and St. Kitts players, we could see the additional years and experience in their play. Our players in this campaign, the likes of Nicky Daly, Lamar Walker, Jadine White, Javane Brown, are either still in school or just out of school. And we never reached the CONCACAF level where Mexico and Costa Rica then would be sending out senior professionals, most of them right at the 22-year-old limit. So again, if we're serious about driving the football forward, we have to pre all these little things. They might look small, but these little things add up, and they are very, very important. As little as they seem, you see, as little as they seem, they all add up. Yes.